Hello everyone, today we will learn how to create the Instagram profile visit campaign using the Facebook Ads Manager. So just hit the create option and just click it and select the traffic campaign also and just continue here and just create the manual traffic campaign and just continue. And the next option is we just write our campaign name here, so that is a simple task, and we just write the name also on the profile visit campaign. I write the IG profile visit campaign and just select the deadline, so I just write the date, the today dates, and just right here. And now we just select our budget, so also we can use the ad set level budget or campaign level budget. So maximum things I will use the campaign level budget, so I just select the budget. My daily budget is only $10 and just click the next option. And first of all I just write the ad set name, so I just write the ad set name here, the one ad set, and that is our using the save audience, so I just write the save here. And we can select the main things. We just select the Instagram or Facebook, so I just select the Instagram or Facebook, and finally I just select our Facebook page, so I just select our Facebook page here. And that is, and we don't show our ads on Facebook platform, so we just select only the Instagram, so just unclick the Facebook options. And they are here, although the starting time we don't use the ending time, the maximum time that is go the Instagram profiles. And just select the audience segment, so I just use the save audience my here. So I just select here the my save audience, that is the custom audience, and I just select the save audience here, so I did the save audience. And we can use this audience in this campaign, so I just select the audience, and that is our audience. So because I create the before the save audience here, so I just select it and just go to the next option, and we just select our placement. I don't use the manual placement, I recommendation, and Facebook recommend me the use the advanced plus placement here, so I just use the advanced plus placement. And click the next option and write the name of our ad, so I just write the name one video ads, and just here, and we just select our video here, so just click the video option and go to the page. I can use the any kind of videos here, so I just select that's one. And we just click the done option, and there is a primary text option, the head description option, so I just add this primary text also, and just select it and the put down here. And we can also optimize some things about there, so I can use the optimizing here. And now we can select our description option, and Facebook also recommended to AI generate, Facebook AI generate many kind of primary text, so I also use that. And finally I just select the description also here, so I just put down the description. Okay, I just put down the description, and our call to action button or CTA button is already selected here, the CTA button here. And I just select the event, and we don't send data to website, so we don't use the parameter also. So that is our one ad set, one ad, and I can create the another ad here. So I just duplicate here, I don't know duplicate, I just create another. So click the ad set option and create ad, select the option. And now we can write the name, and we can use this kind of ad the existing post, so I just select the existing post and write the name, existing post. Okay, and select the post here, and that is the Instagram option, and we just select this post and just click the continue option. And look like that our option is already selected and our video is already here. And we need to use the visit profile visit, the button is already set up that, and we don't use any kind of things also, because Facebook already recommended that many kind of description and parameters also here. I don't use the UTM parameter because we don't send the data our Google Analytics for, and we don't use the CTA button, the website visited any kind of button. So we just simply click the Instagram visit profile, then click it and then land the Instagram profiles. So that is the simple process, and finally we just click the publish option, and look at that, our campaign is already published here, and just select the ad set option. Our ad set is already here, and our ad and go to the ad levels, and our already the two campaigns, so that is not a publish here. So I just click the publish. So you can click the publish, and look at that, our two one ad set and two ad already published, and after some time the campaign was running that. So that is a very simple process. I hope you can understand what I try to say, and if there any problem you can knock me on WhatsApp, on Facebook. So thank you.